Hi, how are you? It's Ching, and this is the part 3 of In Memory of Our Loved One. As you know, if it's first time you see this, I'll just give you a little bit background. And this contemporary Qigong is dedicated to one of my students' service dog. His name's Dozer. He passed away suddenly, and we all miss him very much. And that prompted me to create something that we can remember all our loved ones. So, as you know, we can change dedication to anyone, to you mom and dad, to you pet, to you friends, and whoever you chosen to remember of and giving connection to. Okay, so now I'm gonna start. Today is traveling, so it's so beautiful outside. Try to find a nice location to in my yard actually to show you. So I'm gonna start from that area, come down traveling. So I will repeat 2 sets, and you can repeat many times if you didn't get it with the 2 sets. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna go right to it. Here we go. Make sure I don't step on things and make myself fall over. Okay, so here we go. And you're going to start by standing tall first. Nice preparation. You bend your knees slightly to get ready. Inhale. You're coming forward so high. To my beloved mom and dad, I can feel your spirit. Thank you for your love and the teaching. Over the rainbow, my right arm's up first, you recite. In the forever heaven, to our beloved Dozer, I can feel your spirit. Thank you for your love and hugs. Over the rainbow, you reside. In the forever heaven, to my beloved friends, I can feel your spirit. Thank you for your love and the friendship. Over the rainbow, you reside. In the forever heaven. Thank you to my beloved mom and dad. I can feel your spirit. Thank you for your love and all your teaching. Over the rainbow, you reside. In the forever heaven. Okay, so that's how you take into traveling. Take care of your steps. Make sure you're rooted into the Mother Earth. And thank you for your time. And keep practicing. There's 3 parts. I will put what we learned last week if you haven't seen before. And so we started with just the movement and a little song, and we transfer weight, which is a little hard to do. Traveling is actually a lot of fun. You just need space. You can do this in your house. Open up the dining area or living room. You can practice outdoor if you brave enough, not having people, not worry about people watching you, because it's so beautiful. If you move beautifully, people will look at, wow. So we start changing the idea about what exercise will be. It's not just running, it's not just biking, it's not just, cardio. There's so much involved in life with this body. So get to know this body, have a little more choices of exercise vocabulary, right? Different choice. But thank you so much. Take good care and enjoy the rest of the week. I'll see you next week. Take good care.